Hey guys, in this video I'll be mentioning some of the reasons why the Armor 34 Pro is one of the best rugged phones. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So first and foremost, when we talk about a rugged smartphone, the very first thing that comes to mind is durability. And here, the Armor 34 Pro doesn't just meet expectations, it shatters them. We're looking at IP68 and IP69K ratings and military grade standard 810H certification, which signifies complete dust ingress protection and resistance to prolonged submersion in water. According to Ulefone, the Armor 34 Pro could survive a maximum depth of 2 meters for up to 30 minutes. Additionally, the Armor 34 Pro is also resistant to high pressure, high temperature water jets. The Armor 34 Pro could also survive in extreme temperatures. We are talking about temperatures ranging from minus 30 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. It could also survive vibrations, shocks, humidity, and more. The PC, which is polycarbonate plus aluminum material construction, contributes heavily to this, providing a robust outer shell that absorbs impacts and protects internal components. Now, beyond its physical fortifications, one of the most defining characteristics of the Armor 34 Pro and the paramount reason for its best status, or one of its best status, is its monumental battery life. We're talking about a 25,500 mAh capacity. To put this into perspective, most flagship smartphones today hover around 4,500 to 5,000 mAh. The Armor 34 Pro offers roughly 5 times that capacity. Now, what does this translate to in practical terms? Well, according to Ulefone, the Armor 34 Pro is said to have 1,380 hours of standby time. That's over 57 days, which is nearly 2 months on standby, and 138 hours of talk time, which is close to 6 full days of continuous conversation. For anyone who works long shifts in remote areas, goes on multi-day expeditions, or faces potential emergencies where power isn't readily available, this battery life is not just a convenience, it's a critical operational advantage and a safety feature. And when you need to charge it, the 66 watts charging is a godsend. Despite the colossal capacity, you're not waiting an entire day for it to fill up. You can quickly top it off and get back to work or adventure. Even more impressive is the 10 watts reverse wired charging. This transforms your smartphone into a portable power bank, allowing you to charge other smaller devices like smartwatches, Bluetooth headphones, or even another phone. This is incredibly useful in the field, making the Armor 34 Pro a central hub for all your portable electronics. Now let's move on to a feature that truly differentiates the Armor 34 Pro and pushes it into a league of its own: the integrated projector. This is not a common feature on any smartphone, let alone a rugged phone. With a brightness of 150 lumens and a resolution of 480p, it's highly practical for numerous scenarios, including on-site presentations, instant entertainment, training and collaboration, and so on. Now, beyond these standout features, the Armor 34 Pro doesn't skimp on core smartphone performance. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor. This is a modern, efficient 4nm chip with an octa-core CPU that is paired with the ARM Mali G615 MC2 GPU. This means smooth multitasking, efficient handling of demanding applications, and capable performance for gaming. It's not just a durable shell, it has the brains to match. And when it comes to memory and storage, the Armor 34 Pro is truly astounding. We're talking about 16 GB of base RAM with 16 GB of VRAM support. This level of RAM is typically found in high-end laptops and flagship devices. It ensures unparalleled fluidity, instantaneous app switching, and the ability to keep countless applications open in the background without any performance degradation. You simply won't encounter slowdowns due to insufficient memory. Paired with a generous 512 GB of UFS 3.1 ROM and support for up to 2 TB of expansion via microSD card, you have ample space for all your files, high-resolution photos, 4K videos, and applications with room to spare for years to come. Now, the camera system on the Armor 34 Pro is another strong selling point, particularly for a rugged device. It features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main sensor for high-resolution daily shots, a 64MP night vision camera, which is crucial for professionals in security, wildlife observation, or anyone needing to navigate or capture images in complete darkness. It opens up an entirely new dimension of utility, followed by a 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens for expansive landscapes or fitting more into the frame. And the device features a 32MP front-facing camera, which is equally high resolution and is perfect for clear video calls and detailed selfies. The ability to record 4K videos at 30fps across the rear cameras ensures high-quality video capture, essential for documentation or capturing action in rugged environments. Other reasons why the Armor 34 Pro is one of the best includes 5G connectivity, which ensures fast data speeds for streaming, downloads, and uploads, Wi-Fi 6E for super fast wireless internet speeds, and Bluetooth 5.4 ensures stable and efficient connections with peripherals. It's also fully equipped with NFC for mobile payments and easy pairing, and an IR blaster allowing you to control compatible home appliances directly from your phone. Now, beyond these core features, the Armor 34 Pro integrates a host of smart and practical additions that reinforce its claim as one of the best rugged smartphones. This includes a U-Smart Expansion Connector 2.0, versatile LED lights with a max brightness of about 1100 lumens, glove mode, and of course the device runs Android 15. Now, these are the top reasons why the Armor 34 Pro can be considered as one of the best rugged phones. The Armor 34 Pro isn't just another rugged smartphone. It's a meticulously engineered piece of technology that sets a new standard. Its multi-layered ruggedness, unparalleled battery life with reverse charging, the truly innovative integrated projector, a capable camera system with night vision, and top-tier performance with massive RAM and storage, all coalesce into a device that is more than just a phone. It's a survivor tool, a mobile office, an entertainment hub, and a communication lifeline designed for the most demanding environments and users. So the Armor 34 Pro isn't just one of the best rugged smartphones, it's arguably the benchmark against which others in its class will now be measured. It's an investment in resilience, capability, and unwavering reliability. So what do you guys think? What do you think about the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro? Do you think it's one of the best rugged phones? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.